你们好. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Maya Zhou. In this channel, we will provide you free Chinese language lessons for beginners. Of course, if you want some more lessons, you can friend me on WeChat by the letters of XIAOQIANZCM or scan the QR code on the corner of our screen. We provide you systematic Chinese lessons for businessmen or children. Imagine that after the pandemic, you may want to make deals with China, then you need to know some Chinese useful expressions, right? I am the one you're looking for. Back to this channel. In this channel, we will try to be as practical as we want or as practical as we think you want it to be, as practical as possible. And the structure of our lesson will be some knowledges of pinyin, that is a pronunciation system, or the characters, plus some useful Chinese expressions. Because we want it to be practical, so the useful expressions will be a big part of our lesson. After our lesson, you may have some small dialogues or expressions or conversations with your Chinese friends. Now, shall we start with our lesson today? The basic knowledge of our languages, we know that in every language it consists of two systems. The first one, sound system, and the second one, writing system. The sound system of Chinese language is pinyin, and the writing system, 汉字. In today's lesson, we'll focus on the sound system, that is pinyin. Look at the pink parts here. We can see three parts of the pinyin. First part, initial, followed by the final, and above the final, there are the tones. So, one typical Chinese pinyin includes three parts: initial, final, and tones. Pay attention to the positions of these three parts. It begins with the initial, followed by the final, and above the final, there is the tone. In one Chinese pinyin, there is only one tone. And look at the blue part. You can see a fun Chinese character is 你 as you. It looks fun, interesting, right? In this lesson or in this channel, we will try to teach you to recognize, read, and even to write the Chinese characters. But in today's lesson, we will focus on the finals, which is 韵母. There are 7 basic Chinese finals that consist of all the other finals. Who are they? Let's have a look one by one. Now you can read after me. First one. As in 八. Remember to open your mouth as big as you can. 八妈发拉，很好。Second one. Make your lips a circle. 波摸坡佛，很好。Next one. Now pay attention. This final has many sounds. The most popular one is as in 的 n, g，很好。一 To say this final, you should show your white teeth and give a big smile. Okay? Again. 一 as in me, p, ni, di. 很好。Next one. 呜 Look at the lips. It looks like that you are giving a sweet kiss to your beloved ones. Okay? So, 呜 as in 不嘟猪如很好。Look at this one. It has two dots on the final 乌. Now the sound is 吁 吁. To help you say this final, you can imagine it has the sound of e, but our lips makes a circle like u, so it will be the sound of e plus the lips of u. So listen and say 吁. The sound of e, and the lips of u, so 吁 as in 女居须驴很好。The last one, it has two letters, but it's one single final. R here means we need to roll our tongue a little bit when we say it. So it will be 儿as in 儿子女儿 That's all of the 7 single finals. Let's start with some useful Chinese expressions. Lesson 1. Greetings. In Chinese, we say hello as 你好. Again, 你好. 很好. And how are you in Chinese? 你好吗? 你好吗? You may notice that there is a ma at the end of 你好. Yes, ma is the most important particle in Chinese that can make the sentence into a question, into a yes or no question. So, 你好吗? How are you? To answer that, we say 我很好. 你呢? I'm fine. And you? Again. 我很好. 你呢? 很好. To answer that, we say 我也很好. 我也很好. I'm fine too. Now, you may notice that hello consists of 2 syllables or 2 Chinese pinyin. The first one, 你, you. Second one, 好, good. It literally means you're good, you're fine, or I hope you're fine. I hope you're fine. Let's have a quick review. The 7 single or 7 basic single finals are a, o, 一、乌、吁、儿。And the useful expressions of greetings are 你好 hello 你好你好吗 how are you 你好吗我很好你呢 I'm fine and you 我很好你呢我也很好 I'm fine too 我也很好 Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy this lesson and 再见 see you 再见